How to log in ADP Mobile Solution. Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel and let us get started. First of all, make sure that you have installed ADP Mobile in your device. If not, the process is really simple. Head over to your Play Store and search for ADP. This is the application that you should download in your device. Once you install this, tap on Open. It will open up your ADP Mobile Solution application. Now at this page, you have to type in your user ID. Type in your user ID, and if you would like to save this user ID, check the box that says Save My User ID. Then tap on to Next, and at the next page, you will be required to enter your password. Once done, tap on to Login. If your credentials are correct, you will be successfully logged into your ADP account. In case you have forgotten your user ID or need help, you have to tap on this Forgot User ID, and that will help you resetting your ADP account. That's all for today. Thank you for watching the video till the very end. We will catch you up in our next upload.